Hey, bird lovers and curious minds. Have you ever wondered how some birds travel thousands of kilometers across oceans, mountains, and continents every single year just to find food or a better place to raise their young? These incredible travelers are known as migratory birds, and today we're diving into their fascinating journeys, the science behind their migration, and why protecting them is more important than ever. Migratory birds are species that move from one region to another with the changing seasons. They usually breed in one place and spend the non-breeding season, often winter, in another. It's nature's ultimate travel plan. For example, the Arctic tern travels an astonishing 70,000 kilometers each year between the Arctic and Antarctic, chasing summer around the globe. Some birds migrate short distances within a country, while others cross continents. They do it all for survival, whether it's to find food, escape harsh climates, or find safe breeding grounds. But why do birds go through so much trouble to migrate? The answer lies in survival and reproduction. In colder months, food becomes scarce in many parts of the world. So, birds fly to warmer regions where food is more abundant. For others, it's about finding the perfect conditions to breed and raise chicks. Northern areas often offer long daylight hours and fewer predators during summer, ideal for nesting. But once the breeding season is over, they return south to avoid the harsh winter and continue the cycle. Migration is their way of taking advantage of the best conditions nature has to offer all year round. Now here's the cool part. How do they navigate such long distances without GPS? Well, migratory birds rely on a mix of natural tools. Some use the position of the sun, stars, and even Earth's magnetic field to guide them. Others follow coastlines, rivers, or mountain ranges. They have an internal biological clock that tells them when to start their journey, and they can sense changes in daylight and temperature. Incredibly, young birds often migrate alone, instinctively knowing the route without ever being taught. But the journey isn't always smooth. Migratory birds face huge challenges. Habitat loss due to deforestation, wetlands being drained, pollution, and climate change are major threats. On top of that, they risk exhaustion, storms, and even hunting along their flyways. Many bird species are now in decline because the places they rely on for food and rest, called stopover sites, are disappearing. Imagine running a marathon without any water breaks. Migratory birds play a vital role in ecosystems. They control insect populations, pollinate plants, and even disperse seeds across continents. They're also indicators of a healthy environment. When birds thrive, it means nature is in balance. Protecting them means protecting forests, wetlands, and the natural world we all depend on. You can help by supporting bird conservation projects, planting native trees, or even just keeping your local area bird-friendly. Every small action adds up. So the next time you see a bird flying overhead during autumn or spring, take a moment to think about the epic journey it's on. From the Himalayas to Africa, from Siberia to India, migratory birds are truly nature's global citizens. If you enjoyed this flight into the world of migratory birds, give us a like, hit subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss another wild adventure. Stay curious and keep your eyes on the skies.